In this video, we will be configuring ISL Always On, the remote access agent, to require an email confirmation before an operator establishes a session. Okay, so let's get right into it by clicking on ISL Always On in the system tray and selecting Settings. The option we are looking for can be found under Desktop Sharing. Once we have ticked Require Email Authorization for Incoming Connections, we can then enter an email address. Furthermore, the default amount of time before the request times out is 180 seconds, but can be adjusted according to our workflow. Let's go with 400 seconds. Once we have saved our settings, let's connect to the machine from the operator side. Okay, so here we are on the operator side. The machine we have just configured previously can be found in the Computers tab of ISL Lite. Once we click on it, enter our credentials, and click Connect, we will receive a notification saying that an email authorization needs to be confirmed, along with an expiry countdown. Meanwhile, the client side will also get a notification displaying which operator would like to connect to the machine in question, along with the email address used to authorize the connection. The email authorization can either be used in scenarios where a specific team member is responsible for allowing remote access sessions, or instead of local consent if the client is away from the machine. So once the authorization email is open, we will see which computer is being connected to, along with the time the operator attempted the connection. Furthermore, we can also see the name of the operator as well as their IP address. So if we click on Check Request, we will be directed to a page where we can then proceed to allow the session. Once that's done, the session goes through, and as we can see here, the operator is now connected to the client machine. That was ISL Online's email notification. If you need any additional assistance, do reach out to us via our live chat. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.